What is up, everyone? It's Drake Rich here again, and this is gonna be part 2 of rebuilding my motorbike. So part 1 was I just completely disassembled it. Part 2 is gonna be painting it. So today we're gonna wash it, sand it, paint it, everything. And then there's gonna be part 3 and part 4 where I'm gonna do the engine and I'm gonna put everything else on. So let's wash the frame first. I'm gonna wash it down because it's so dirty. let's go get the pressure washer and let's wash it. Wow, check this out. Now that I took off all the grease and everything, look how bad the paint is everywhere. This is so bad. But yo, I'm gonna finish washing the wheels and could start sanding it down and everything. Well, there you go, got the wheels washed up, frame. Now I'm gonna start sanding the frame. Okay, so it's all washed up and I'm gonna start sanding, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. I don't want to bore you with all of this. Okay, a couple hours later, finally done. It's dark outside. Going to rinse it down right now and wipe it with some acetone, and could probably prime it and then paint it. So yeah, I'll go rinse it down real quick. Okay, so got it all washed up, cleaned up. Now what I'm gonna do is tape it all up and prime it. Okay, so let's do that. So I got it taped up where it needed to. Now I'm gonna prime it, and I'll do the fork later because I'm trying to do something with it. So I'm not trying to get it painted right now, so I'll just paint this. So let's prime it and then paint it. Okay, so primer is all finished up, just waiting for it to dry. Then we'll get to painting. Okay, so the primer is finally dry, and the paint that I'm gonna be painting this is gloss smoke gray. I wanted something like a narrow gray. This is the closest thing I found. So I'll start painting it. Okay, done with the first coat. I'm gonna do like 3 coats. I think it's weird. This is the color. It's kind of off for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's just a primer. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm finally done. Now it's gonna be drying. I'm gonna let it dry for a day or two. It's 12:36. Tired. I'm gonna go to sleep, but there you go. Finally finished painting it. I was hoping for a bit darker. It is darker, it's just the camera doesn't really pick up the color. But I was hoping it'd be a little bit darker than this. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 3. I'm gonna be rebuilding the engine. And see you on the next one.